And today we are going to start a chapter that is hydrogen. Now, hydrogen is the lightest and the most abundant element in the universe. Its atomic mass is 1.00794 atomic mass unit. And atomic number is 1. It has only one electron and one proton. It is very reactive, non-metal. The symbol of hydrogen is H. Now, water is the most common compound of hydrogen. Its molecular formula is H2O, which indicates that two atoms of hydrogen combines with one atom of oxygen. Now, Robert Boyle was the first scientist to discover hydrogen gas in 1672. He found this gas during the reaction between iron filings and dilute acid. Henry Cavendish in 1766 recognized hydrogen gas as an element. He found this gas during the reaction between zinc metal and hydrochloric acid. He named this gas as an inflammable air. Now, at the last, Anthony Lavoisier in 1783 named this gas as hydrogen, which in Greek means water generator. Now, occurrence of hydrogen. In the free state, hydrogen is the main constituent of the outermost layer of sun and stars. It is also present in the Earth's atmosphere, but in traces. A small percentage of hydrogen is found in volcanic gases. The cloud also contains traces of hydrogen gas. In the combined state, hydrogen is present in water, acid, bases, natural gas. Most of hydrogen is present in organic substances such as coal, petroleum, carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, and oils. All plant and animal contain compounds of hydrogen in their tissues. Now, preparation of hydrogen by electrolysis of water. The decomposition of substance by passing electricity through it is called electrolysis. The reaction is also called as electrochemical reaction. The container in which the process of electrolysis takes place is called an electrolytic cell. Now, the terms related to electrolysis. First one is electrolyte. What is an electrolyte? Substances which decompose into ions on passing current through their molten state or in their solution are called electrolytes. For example, acid, base, and salts. Weak electrolytes. Those electrolytes which do not decompose completely into ions, they are called weak electrolytes. Weak electrolytes. What are those? Acetic acid, CS3COOH, acetic acid. Ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Ammonium acetate. See? Ammonium acetate. Now, look here. This is your ammonium acetate. Now, say strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte is what? Those electrolytes which decompose completely into iron in their solution. Example, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. These are the compounds which are strong electrolyte. That means they are fully dissociated into the solution on passing current. Now, electrode. The two conducting plate or rod through which electric current can enter or leave the solution, they are called electrodes. They are generally made up of materials such as graphite. They do not react with electrolytes. The electrode connected to the positive terminal of a battery are called anode. Electric current enters an electrolyte through anode. The electrode connected to the negative terminals of a battery is called cathode. Electric current leaves an electrolyte through anode. Now, ions. The atom or a group of atoms that get electrically charged due to decomposition of electrolyte after passing electricity through them are called ions. Atom loses or gains electrons to form ions. There are two types of ion, anion and cation. Cation are positively charged ions, whereas anions are negatively charged ions. Now, cation move towards the cathode, anions move towards the anode. Examples of cation are Na+, NH4+, Ba2+, Al3 plus. These are the examples, certain examples of cations. Now some examples of anions: chloride ion, hydroxyl ion, sulfate ion, then carbonate ion. Getting understood? Now pure water is natural and do not contain free ions. It can be made electrolyte by adding a few drops of H2SO4. Such water is called acidulated water. When an electric current is passed through acidulated water, it decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio 2:1. Say, when water is passing through electric current, it will give hydrogen and oxygen. Getting? Now, what are the process or what are the steps during the process of electrolysis? When an electric current is passed through electrolyte, it decomposes into constituent ions. The ions move towards oppositely charged electron. These ions gain or lose electron and turn into neutral atom. In this whole process, product may be in the form of solid deposition or gas involved as bubble. Up to this much there is to